Alrighty, boys and girls, it's time for another edition of I Want to Be the Guy, presented by ARPS. I'm Jer, and this will be the third part. Now, as you remember last time, Mike Tyson was killed. First boss, very easy. Now, a couple of you have been wondering how I pronounce my name, so I'm going to pronounce all your names the way I think they are here in this video, and I'll dedicate deaths or certain rooms or hazards to you. So, we're going to start now. First things first, blocking cherry. Damn it. Next thing, lightning bolt. Cherry, or apple cherries, we'll call them. Apple cherry. Now, this next part is you gotta make sure you get all the cherries. If all the cherries aren't gone, so it won't be good. Now, right here, just land right on the tip, on the corner there. You'll see why. I go. Oh, moon! I was too slow. I apologize for that. Let's try that again. We'll get the cherry to come out, and we'll land on the spike. We'll dedicate that the Natch spike, just because he hasn't posted in the topic, and, well, we'll just call it the Natch spike, because he'll probably only kill me once. Jump over the apple cherry, up, 2 more apple cherries, corner, jump up, oh, that was a close one. I don't think I was going to make it there for a second. That was a very close one. Alrighty, well, as you can see, that part is fairly simple. It surprises you at first. Hey, look! It's Link! Legend of Zelda! And Legend of Zelda music. Yeah, I know you like that. Now here, Cam, this room's for you. Why? That's why. There's your kamikaze, Cam. Come out here. We got Link. You gotta jump. This part confused the hell out of me. Basically, you go too far one way, and he stabs. I can't believe I actually did that on my first try. That's amazing. Next part, the ghosts and ghouls, or ghouls and ghosts, or goblins and googlies, or... You know what, I don't even know. This part, fairly simple. Looks simple, you jump over, and the land raises. So you're going to make sure you save your double jump for about halfway through. Get over here, and a hand comes out. Probably will kill many of you the first time you try it. You don't know it's there. Save, jump over, go into the next part. I'm going to dedicate this to Flare Room, because it kills me so many times. It destroys me. We jump over, and the spikes start moving. Holy fuck. Yeah, that's probably what you're thinking. Jer, how is this even possible? And to my reply, it just about isn't. We'll jump over. I cannot believe I did that on my first try. I'm doing good today. Or, right now. I guess it really isn't today, but... all things considered, I could be doing more. That bird will kill you, trust me. You need to jump over here as soon as possible and shoot like a madman, or else you die. I can't get up here. Alright. Ah, the bird's still there. Alright. Well, save point. Alright. This part will destroy you. I guarantee it. I can't even remember how to do it. I was going to die there. We'll go again, and... oh, the spike kills me. Go again, and dodge, cherries, there's going to be a spike that falls. See, I had memorized this part, but, yeah, not doing it for a couple of weeks kind of destroys the purpose. The spikes kill me. This room, it destroys me. I actually did it on my first try one day before, and to this day, I cannot figure out how I managed to do it in one try. Besides the falling cherries, the falling spikes, and the gravity-defying spike that will surely come out of nowhere and catch all of you off guard. You'll see what I mean. Because not only this part has to be completed nearly perfectly, the next part has to be completed perfectly. So we'll jump over. Hand. Yeah, that tombstone right here, it also falls down too. I'm going to dedicate this room to Iman. Oh, no it didn't. The bird just sealed my fate. Unless I am, like, perfect here, yeah, I was probably better off just restarting in the first place. Yes, this room and all the hazards contained there within is dedicated to Iman. Because, allow me to be a little bit stereotypical here, you just about need to be Asian to get out of this. No offense. At all. But, we'll keep going here. Notice that spike didn't go up this time. It seems to be random in whatever it does. Tombstone. Okay, I guess that tombstone doesn't fall. But bird, gotta kill it. Zombies take about 3-4 shots each to kill. And they keep respawning, so... And watch out, because they like to respawn right under you. Make sure you get these 3 cherries to fly over like that, or your bones. Jump over here, and this is what I like to call the zombies. Motherfucking thousands of them brew. I'll dedicate this to PK, or Tattersail, or however he wants his name to be pronounced, because I honestly have no idea. And I'm just about running out of time, if I'm remembering correctly, so I'm gonna start shooting zombies. Like the motherfucking Fist of the North Star. That tombstone falls down. This part kills me. It destroys me as much as that other part. This part just about requires to be perfect. I cannot believe I did that on my first try. For right now, I'm gonna pause it and leave it right before the next boss and the next secret item. So, it's been Jern. Happy